This acquisition signifies NCS' commitment to assemble the right mix of NIC's capabilities and to grow a bigger community of digital specialists to make an impact in the market. By leveraging on the strengths of 2359 Media in creating innovative mobile apps and solutions, we are in an even stronger position to help our clients accelerate their digital transformation agenda through experienced design and purposeful adoption of digital technologies.
We are excited by NCS's strategy and plans to grow their digital services footprint across Asia Pacific. Joining NCS next presents a strategic opportunity for us to drive acceleration of digital solutions across a variety of industries. When we started our company, it was with the purpose of transforming the way people live and work through innovative application of digital technologies. With the backing of NCS's resources and NCS Next Services teams, we can create lasting impact and deeper changes with clients, not just in Singapore, but across the APAC region.